You can customize the way Panorama displays information in the summary window for the managed firewalls to make it easier to locate the information that you find most valuable. There might be items in the summary window that you aren't concerned about, so you can hide those. You can enable or disable various columns of the Panorama displays by clicking this small triangle next to any of the column headers and then choosing columns. Any item that's checked in this list is displayed across the summary window. I'm going to uncheck quite a few of these, and the result is that the columns across the summary window only show me information that I'm most interested in. However, I still have to scroll pretty far over to see some of this information. So I can further customize this display by dragging and dropping columns. For example, I'm going to drag the software version column over to the left so that I can more easily see it when I log in and go to Managed Devices Summary. The nice thing about doing this is that when I log back into Panorama with my account, everything will look the way I want it to. Another administrator can organize this window however they want it to look, and when they log in they'll see their preferred view. So as long as folks have unique administrator accounts that they use when they log into Panorama, everybody can customize their view however they wish.